choreographed by Pat Esper. It is a 32 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance, and depending on the song you use, the restart is going to happen in different places. If you're choosing to use a song it was originally choreographed to, Dead Man's Hand, the restart is going to happen on wall 4 after 16 counts. If you're choosing to use Whip It, the restart is going to be on wall 10 after 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts for both songs and where they happen, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance, practicing the restart for the song it was originally choreographed to, so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. Now, if you are somebody that would like to practice that restart with Whip It, at the end of the tutorial there will be 2 rear demos. The first one will be for the original song, the second one will be for Whip It, so you can use either one to practice whichever song you would like to do, so that you know where all the restarts happen, so that you can go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn aces and eights. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right heel grind, so you're going to place that right heel forward with your toes slightly pointed to the left. You're going to put your weight onto your right heel as you rotate your toes to the right, and then recover onto your left foot. We're now going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, step your left next to your right, and then step forward with your right foot. We're now going to do a quarter turning heel grind, so you're going to take that left heel, place it forward with your toes slightly pointed to the right. You're going to put your weight onto your left heel, and as you rotate your toes to the left, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder to face 9 o'clock, and then recover on your right foot. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do right and left wizard steps. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal. You're going to bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward. You're now going to step your left foot forward into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then quickly step your left foot forward. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to hold and clap. Step forward with your left, hold and clap. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your right and left wizard steps. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock, and then step your left next to your right. We're now going to do a 3/4 paddle turn. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as you point your right toe to the right side. You're now facing 9 o'clock. You're going to slightly hitch your right knee up. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, pointing your right toe to the right side to face 6 o'clock. Slightly hitch your right knee up. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, pointing your right toe to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left. We just did our clap. You're going to do your jazz box turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. You're going to cross your right over your left. Step back with your left foot. You're now going to step your right foot slightly back and place your left heel forward. You're going to step your left next to your right, and then step slightly forward with your right foot. You're now going to cross your left over your right, step back with your right foot, slightly step this left foot back and place your right heel forward, step your right next to your left, and then slightly step your left foot forward, and then you're ready to start the dance over again. So let's try it with some counts. You're crossing that right over your left. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weights on your left. You're starting with your heel grind. Heel grind, coaster step, heel grind, quarter coaster step. Right wizard, left wizard, step, clap, clap. Jazz box quarter turn. Now your paddle turn. It's quarter hitch, quarter hitch, quarter hitch, touch. Cross, back, back, heel, step, step forward, cross, back, and heel, and step forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. The restarts for the original song, Dead Man's Hand, is going to happen on wall 4 after 16 counts. Our dance travels clockwise, so wall 4 will be a 9 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance the first 16 counts of the dance and then restart. So weight is on your left, you're doing your heel grind, so it's heel, grind, coaster, step, heel, grind, quarter, coaster, step. Right, wizard, left, wizard, step, clap, step, clap. Right here, for Dead Man's Hand, this is where you will restart. Now, let's talk about the restart for Whip It. It's going to be on wall 10, which is your 3 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance the first 8 counts, so that is your heel grind coaster, heel grind quarter coaster, which is going to put you back to 12 o'clock, and then you will restart the dance there. So weight is on your left, do your right heel grind, so it's heel, grind, coaster, step, heel, grind, quarter, coaster, step. Then you're going to start the dance all over again, heel, grind, coaster, step, heel, grind, quarter, coaster, step. So for Dead Man's Hand, you'll be facing 9 o'clock. You'll dance the first 16 counts, restart facing 6 o'clock. When you're dancing Whip It, you will be facing 3 o'clock, dance the first 8 counts, restart facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance, practicing the restart for the original song that the dance was choreographed to. Again, you can use the rear demos that follow this tutorial to choose which song you would like to practice it to, so you can pick which restart you are learning. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our heel grind. So it's heel, grind, coaster, step, heel, grind, quarter, coaster, step, wizard, wizard, step, clap, clap. Jazz box, quarter, turn, now your paddle, it's quarter, 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 touch. Cross, back, back, heel, step, step forward, cross, back, back, heel, step forward. Now it's your heel grind, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Heel grind, coaster, step, heel grind, quarter, coaster, step, wizard, wizard, step, clap, clap. Jazz box, quarter, turn, now your 3/4, paddle, 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 touch. Cross, back, back, heel, step, step forward, cross, back, ball, heel, ball, step forward. Now you're gonna dance 16 counts of the dance, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart the dance, heel, grind, coaster, step, heel, grind, quarter, coaster, step, wizard, wizard, step, clap, clap. Jazz box, quarter, turn, now your 3/4, paddle, and your cross, back, heel, step forward, cross, back, back, heel, step forward. And then you'll keep dancing through until the end of the song. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamps in the video description below to skip to the rear demo that you would like to practice with, so that you learn how it flows to the song that you would like to do it to, so that you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn aces and eights. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
see me dance.